That's the Facebook page. Place to go to. Want to join? Like. Maki-like kayo dyan. And we have pictures of everybody, almost everybody here. Miyaka, ikaw, may picture ka rin doon. Smile.
Meron ba? Thanks, Sam. Anyway, ito si Coach Rico de Guzman. Ayaw na daw niya maulit yung nangyari during their Cagayan game kung saan 9 points lang ang na-score nila noong unang set. Sabi niya, talagang ayaw kumilos ng kanyang mga Lady Troopers kasi nawalan daw sila ng kumpiyansa at nawala si Tina Salak nung game na yun. But now that she's still not 100%, sabi ni Coach, kailangan daw i-double up ang tulungan nila. Huwag iasa lahat kay Tina and instead, kailangan lahat daw may contribution. Balik sa inyo, 7, Mozzie.
And I think that is exactly what has happened with the Army team this afternoon. They're ahead 8-4. Nakakuha silang kontribusyon various sources. Ang dami nilang laban sa Arsenal. Oh, even Gonzaga is clicking nicely here.
My goodness, she hammered that one. Talaga namang tosok na tosok yung palong yun. At ang maganda dun sa play na yun, kahit na open siya, mataas, ang bilis ng pagkakapalo ni Jovelyn.
And Jovelyn still smoking. Actually, umuusok pa siya nung sinerve na yan.
At itong pregame, pinag-uusapan natin ay depensa ni Jovelyn. Pero ngayon, yung opensa ang nagkiklik kay Jovelyn.
Hiyang-hiya si Tina Salak dun sa set niya.
Walang paroronan.
Gusto magtago nung alin, hindi naman makatago. Laki-laking. Gusto ko yung tawa niya pagkatapos. Alam niya, ang sagwa ng set niya.
Alam mo yung hindi mo alam kung nasan ka doon sa court kasi nakatalikod ka.
Nice shot, Direk. Kuha mo yung sentiment niya. Kasi ang pangit ng set niya. Bihira ako sabihin, but you're Tina Salak and I can afford to say that. Here comes Tina trying to regroup. Nice set. Ooh, nene. Too much juice, too much gasoline, too much everything. Dakis will come in. Bautista is pulled out. Lagi sa volleyball player, nung pagpasok, hindi alam kung saan ang pwesto.
Well, minsan
Usually,
nga dahil
Dahil sa rotation, sa formation at
Saka si Rachel, kakarating niya lang din, diba? So, obviously, hindi pa niya alam kung sino yung mga katabi niya.
Yep. Ivy Remulla gets a crawl across the net. Naisahan si Dakis doon.
Sadya yun. Tingnan mo, ulitin ni ate. Ulitin ni Ivy Ulian.
Tinas lang ng konti. Because of the official ball of the Czechis V-League.
Pero pareho resulta.
Yes.
2
We call her Ate because of course she's the sister of Anne. And always enjoyed to work with the sisters. Of course, Anne smiles. I never covered her. Ivy never smiles when she plays.
Seryoso lang. Game face lang, game face.
Oh!
That's it. Yung court recognition ni Tina Salak, tama na.
Sabi ni Reyes, now I know who you are. Hindi tayo nag-abot sa UAAP eh.
At yun pala yung gusto mong gawin kanina.
You're picking on me, ha?
Sabi ni Tina, tinitingnan ko lang bakit ang sinasabi kasi ikaw ang pinakamagaling na libero. So, sinusubukan lang niya.
10-8. And she has been quite a libero for NU. Dakis! Sanay na si Reyes yan. Oh, Kaing Let. Great Wall of China.
Phil Kainglet. Saradong-sarado. Ang hirap naman kasi ang lalaki din na Philippine Army. Kaya nga dapat kiwang eh, di ba? Kaya sinasabi natin maiging nakiwang ang bola dahil kayang-kaya niyang palusutan tong malalaking blockers na to.
Si Wang napaka-animated. Nakakatawa yung mga facial expression niya. Parang siyang kung fu pandang malaki.
Ang cute naman nun, sobra.
Naman.
Sobrang cute naman nun.
Hindi, di ba? Yung reactions niya. The secret ingredient? There is no ingredient. Kainglet. Huli pa rin. April. Cocoa.
There you go. But Torres is there.
Galing ng Torres, eh.
Oo. Actually, itong labanan na to, Jen Reyes ngayon sinasabi isa sa pinakamagaling na libero. If not, yung talaga pinakamagaling na libero out of college. Pero sa larong to, si Torres has really done her job so well.
She's steady.
Making a mark.
Walang error eh. Walang lampas na bola. And in the meantime, Rachel Ann Dakis. Ooh. Out. Lumipad si Gonzaga doon.
Pero almost yun talagang napakalapit sa linya.
Oh, but look, the spirit of the volleyball play, hindi na iniisip na saktan. Sabi niya, sorry. Mali ang pwesto niya kasi. Miss Kainglet.
Ito na, dapat mapunta ka sa kamay ni Wang ang
I would go there.
maraming sets.
But they go the other way. Morada, home run. Pinalo sa taas ng ulo ng bola.
No spin on that ball.
Agigil. Gigil na gigil. Shakey's is the place to go to for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. 13-10. Tina Salak. Ooh, just above the net. Hello.
This time again, sabi, sa taas no? Kahit na may blockers, nandun si Ging Balse, nandun si Tina Salak. Kaya-kaya ni Wang, medyo daplis pa nga ang pagkakapalo doon ni Wang.
Ngayon ko lang napansin, pare-pareho pala yung sapatos ng players ng Meralco. No?
Oo, ito yung mostly din dito sa Philippine Army. Sila din naman.
Yeah, fashion statement.
Ace, galing kay Jose.
Now, a better set coming from Meralco. Carolino.
Oh, Jen Reyes, nakita mo kung gaano kabilis niyang inabol yung bola na yun.
May ininom lang sandali sa bench. Carolino.
Oh, at doon na naman siya.
Wang wants to score!
And credit half that point to Jen Reyes.
And Meralco
My goodness.
enjoying that moment. That's the key moment for Meralco.
Woo! Titignan mo
This is
naman.
the second pickup
Yes, yun
actually.
yung second. Hindi nyo alam kung saan hong kanto nanggaling si
Anong-
Jen Reyes para makuha niya yun.
Galing hong Green Hills si
Namili pa ng
Reyes
konti.
na dumaan sa Changi sandali. 13 apiece. Carolino. Smart. Just smart points coming from the Army actually.
Veteran move there.
It's not just because of the defense. It's the way
Yes.
they do it to change the momentum of the game.
And plus, hindi yung madali yun na right yung over the blockers.
Oo,
Kasi
oo,
kailangan
oo,
ganun yun eh. Nasa likod lang ng blockers para mahirapan yung support sa likod.
Totoo yan. April difficult. Wang. Salak. Boom! Inglet got that in play. Morada huli! She had no choice. She was committed to the jump already. She could not alternate her. Couldn't come up with any alternative actually. Kung minsan dapat off speed, wala na, committed na siya eh. 15-13, ito na naman ang Army. Ang galing ng Army humiwalay sa gulo eh. Bullet but out.
Wang this time back set na nanggaling kay April Jose and they take the point. Yan ang sanang ginagawa nila. Nilalaro nila si Wang. Pwede kasing running, pwedeng quick, pwedeng differential, habang nasa harap. Kaya lang ngayon, nasa likod na si Wang to serve.
Ako, isa pa itong mahilig pumukpok ng Mikasa.
Kaya ni Mikasa yan.
Oo nga. Huli si Gonzaga. Tina Salak with that spin. I saw that in Chisayat actually.
Oh, very nice. Sweet spot and push coming from Morada. Nag-expect ang Philippine Army. Napapaluin na naman to ni Morada.
Kasi
Look at the blockers.
tatlong beses na kasi siyang nasyosiopaw ng block eh.
Kaya ito. This time, push coming from Morada.
Tabla at 15, closer. Set, the best set of all for Meralco so far. Just above the net. Salak. Gonzaga. Uy, tusok.
Oh, ganda ng cross court.
Gonzaga is just a smart player. We're at technical timeout, number 2.